This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Corolla tire pressure light. First, understand that this light signals an issue with your tire pressure monitoring system. It often comes on when a tire is underinflated, but sometimes it's just a glitch. We'll cover the simple steps to turn it off, ensuring your vehicle's safety and optimal performance. Let's get started with the most crucial first step. The very first thing to do is check the air pressure in all 4 of your tires, including the spare if applicable. Use a good quality tire pressure gauge. Compare your readings to the recommended PSI, which you'll find on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Inflate any underinflated tires to the correct level. This is a critical step before attempting a reset. Once your tires are properly inflated, it's time to reset the system. Locate the TPMS reset button, which is typically found beneath the steering wheel on the lower dash. With the ignition on, but the engine off, press and hold this button. Keep holding it until the tire pressure light blinks 3 times, then release. This action signals the system to recalibrate its sensors. If the light doesn't turn off immediately after the reset, don't worry. Sometimes the system needs to recalibrate while driving. Take your Corolla for a short drive, perhaps 10 minutes at a speed of 50 miles per hour or more. If the light remains on after this, it might indicate a faulty sensor or a more complex issue. In that case, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.